Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by loading the Nightshift Forest map and locking onto the objective marker. This matters because the key spawns near that marker. Once done, check your loadout, choose Mobility and Stealth so you can reach the chest without aggro. Make sure to confirm the spawn cycle timer in the match lobby, because keys appear during a specific window. Prepping now saves time later. Move immediately to the marked quadrant, and watch for subtle visual cues around broken fences and glowing leaves. You next perform a careful sweep of the quadrant, moving in short bursts so you don't miss the chest or key spawn. Once you see a faint glow or a displaced object, interact immediately because these micro-triggers spawn the key guardian. Make sure to activate the 3 nearby shrines or move the lanterns in the indicated order. This sequence matters; it cues the key to appear. While doing this, avoid heavy fights that can reset the environment or cause the key to despawn, and keep awareness of team positioning. You finish by prioritizing the key guardian. Burst it down with focused DPS and use crowd control to stop any fleeing behavior, because a staggered fight can make the key disappear. Once the key drops, open the chest immediately. Keys often despawn within 10 to 12 seconds if unattended. After retrieval, extract or secure the area to avoid losing the loot. If the key never spawns or disappears, your best troubleshooting move is to leave the quadrant for one spawn cycle or relog. This forces a clean.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.